What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Today, on a deck's activity in the deck area early in the morning, was having exercise at the park at Shinjuku Ward together with his friend Punyam Wasabi. A deck cut 10.4 kilometer distance with 1 hour and 4 minutes and 44 seconds time with 6.24 kilometer pace.
Morning, everyone.
In a short video
This is the
clip,
deck
Nadek
area.
says he likes
25
running.
years old. I like running.
As you can see,
I
the
like
two they look
stuff.
so happy and enjoy.
I like you.
They, Nadek Kuya was
Kaya
went
mo, kaya mo.
at in Ocasio Park together with his family.
No, pero Ruby Bonin
They
na.
make out posted on Instagram a short video clip of them that shows they're so much enjoy.
Susuka.
The video captured it, making them take photo as he cheering the songs of the tune, laughing, quietly laughing, and all along the waterfront. It makes me able to see the atmosphere, and if I can't do it, I have to do it. One morning is here, and conquering the
Oh, mamaya
atmosphere like a
pagigida.
chill field by the water. They say that the most beautiful activity
Back out! Back out!
my kid is
Back
teaching
out!
me how to paddle and my muscles are up and so much
Back out!
enjoy.
Look! Look! Katanyo ma!
Yesterday, on Recess Activity Recess Peer Band, got her new videos from Oppo. With the help of the Plan P Thailand, the final output was so beautiful. Recess Peer Band can't deny it that it looks so good.